Experiencing profound love provides inner strength, and expressing deep love for someone cultivates courage within. Avoid contentment with narratives of others' experiences. Instead, create your unique story. Within yourself lies the solution, as you are aware of your identity and desires. Direct your attention to those who motivate rather than those who cause annoyance. If you don't alter your course, you might reach the destination you're currently headed towards. Life presents the most challenging test, and numerous individuals falter by imitating others without recognizing that each person has a unique set of challenges. Avoid shedding tears for someone who fails to appreciate the significance of your emotions. Disregard those who instill fear and sadness, pulling you towards decline and negativity. Ignite your life. Surround yourself with those who encourage and support you. Quietude possesses immense strength. Elevate your expressions, not the volume of your voice. It's the gentle rain, not thunder, that nurtures the growth of flowers. Only those who have no interest in exploiting power are worthy of being entrusted with it. Avoid relying too heavily on anyone. People undergo changes when they encounter new individuals. Life and death are interconnected aspects of existence, representing different perspectives of the same continuum. To steer clear of disappointment, refrain from expecting anything from others. To acquire knowledge, incorporate new elements daily. For wisdom, eliminate things consistently. Building trust requires years, breaking it takes seconds, and repairing may last forever. When you find contentment in being your authentic self without comparing or competing, you'll earn respect from everyone. Words serve as a disguise. It's the inner connection that attracts individuals to each other, not mere words. Cease behaving in a limited manner. Recognize that you are the universe in joyous motion. I lack the time to harbor hatred for those who dislike me, as my focus is on embracing and cherishing those who reciprocate my love. Joy does not arise from a life free of challenges, rather, it stems from the capacity to confront and overcome them. Anything crafted with beauty and fairness exists for the appreciation of those who perceive it. Exercise caution with individuals who excessively praise you, as they can pose a significant risk. One who exhibits external bravery may dare to face death, but true courage lies in living authentically. Find contentment in what you possess and celebrate the present state of affairs, recognizing that nothing is missing, and the entirety of the world is yours to embrace. Challenging paths frequently guide us to splendid destinations. Avoid making lasting decisions influenced by fleeting emotions. Cease being confined by your history. Instead, craft the blueprint for your upcoming journey. The wound serves as the entry point for light to illuminate within you. True wisdom lies in recognizing our lack of knowledge, while ignorance stems from falsely believing we know. Embrace love in all your endeavors, regardless of your location or occupation. Addressing a problem involves eliminating its root cause, not merely treating the symptoms. Items linked by financial gain, when confronted by adversity and peril, will forsake each other. Refrain from mourning, everything lost will return in a different form. A proficient explorer lacks rigid plans and isn't focused on reaching a destination. Redirect your energy from worrying to believing. Let go of the past, flip the pages, and progress. I understand you're weary, yet advance. This is the path. The most gentle elements prevail over the toughest. That which you pursue is also in pursuit of you. A prudent individual refrains from sharing with a woman certain aspects, his genuine emotions and his personal equilibrium. Adhere to a fundamental principle: never deceive yourself. Our development occurs not in times of ease, but when confronted with challenges. Leadership involves inspiring followers, and achieving success entails presenting yourself as a supportive friend to a woman through consistent kind words and comforting gestures.